You got your seashell from Daddy? Did Daddy get your seashell? Huh? Where's your seashell? Where's your seashell? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Lily? Lily looks so pretty. Where's your seashell? Do you miss Grandma and Grandpa? Lily, where's Grandpa? Oh, I know. You'll see him soon. What, love?
Where'd you pack our photo tree?
In the front part of the suitcase. Lily, where's your seashell? Huh, sweet girl? Lily, you want to crawl to Mama? You want to crawl to Mama? Yeah. Hi, love. Hi, love. Lily, where'd your seashell go? It's right over there. There's seashell. Right there. Go get seashell. Seashell. There you go. You got it. Yay, Lily. Seashell. Love. We don't put it in our mouth, though. We don't put it in our mouth.